Okay, so when you want to add like teachers or admin to a session, I find it easier to change our session type to a small group or assembly, and then you hit continue, and then you can just put in like meeting. Since this is just a example, I'm just going to do something real quick. Select subject would be other, and then your course would be none, and the program would be none. And then you go over here, you pick your time. Again, this is just a quick one. So the big thing is participants, where it says select role. You'll want to change this role to teacher or admin, and then click search. Okay, so what I did was I changed the role to teacher instead of student or default or whatever's up there. So I changed it to teacher, and then you just scroll down and you find a name. Any old name will do. This is me, so I'll just put me in. And then you just click require, and you'll see the person over here, and then you hit continue, and then you just save your session, but I'm not going to save it. Okay, so the big deal is here is when you're in this section right here, you want to click teacher. So your role is teacher. So instead of select a role, select teacher. Okay, hopefully this helps. Thanks. Bye.